Good evening, this is Family Life Update and I'm Javier Padilla.
I'm Bianca Helido and here is tonight's news on family and life.
India's Supreme Court refuses to review gay sex ban. Last week, India's Supreme Court has refused to review its controversial decision to reinstate a 153-year-old law that criminalizes homosexuality. Judges dismissed petitions from the government and rights activists who say the order was wrong. The Supreme Court judgment last month overturned a landmark 2009 Delhi High Court ruling decriminalizing gay sex. The ruling is seen as a huge blow to gay rights and has been criticized by activists and government ministers.
Prior to 2009, there was a colonial-era law in India which says that a same-sex relationship is an unnatural offense and was punishable by a 10-year jail term. In 2009, the Delhi High Court decided that this law was discriminatory and said gay sex between consenting adults should not be treated as a crime. However, on December 11, 2013, the Supreme Court said it was up to Parliament to change the law and the courts did not have the mandate to rule on it. This order was criticized by gay rights activists who called it retrograde and disappointing. On December 20, the government asked the court to review its order, saying it believed it violated the principle of equality.
Gay rights groups described last week's decision by the Supreme Court as a major setback to the rights of the LGBT community and to the fundamental rights of all Indians. In deeply conservative India, homosexuality is taboo and many people still regard same-sex relationships as illegitimate. What do you think about this?
So do you think it should be a crime?
Well, I think the Western world will try to push its own agenda with same-sex marriage and saying that everybody has the right to a one love, like those songs that are coming out and the Grammys that showed 30 couples getting married during the show. I mean, it will try to push its agenda. But I think, marriage is between a man and a woman and they can have a family, raise their kids together in a home of good values and good morals. But then again...
Yeah, I'm seeing it on a different light, that, the saying, the verse in the Bible, hate the sin, not the sinner.
Yes, that's true.
So if you criminalize it, you might be condemning those people who may want to change or transform their lives. Yeah. So
I'm all for hating the sin, not the sinner, but let's not promote the sin. So let's not say, okay, get married everybody, but don't sin. I mean, if you give them the opportunity to sin, then they will sin. I mean, that's how we've seen it all around the world. Let's not push conservative India, conservative Philippines, and make them unconservative like our Western neighbors.
And again, we have to be vigilant.
Yes, definitely. So, that's it for tonight. Read more about related news stories on FamilyLifeUpdate.com. We're also on Facebook, just search for Family Life Update. And on Twitter, we're at @OfficialFalu.
Thanks for watching. Share the word about us, Family and Life Update. Don't forget to subscribe to our FLiQ Media channel here on YouTube. Family and Life Update, presenting news for today's family, making a stand in today's life issues.
And for our quote tonight from today's Gospel reading, Mark 5 verse 36, it's definitely for India. Jesus said, "Do not be afraid, just have faith." Good night, God bless you and your families.